Hello guys, it's me Nikolai. Today I'm going to show you a new Singapore Airlines who is 777-300 Air, and it's a model of 1 to 500 series, and it's a Herpa one because it was it was sometime expensive, but not that much. In Russia are very expensive sometimes, and it's a Herpa one. So, and when I got it, it was like packed up. So what are we waiting for? Let's see the aircraft. So this is the Singapore Airlines. You could see it's like the model of Malaysia Airlines, but not the 737. The 777 one. And the aircraft is a Star Alliance member, and it's from Singapore. Everybody knows this. And I forgot to show you something at the back or the front. When you see at the front, it's really cool. At the back, it looks like it's landing. But the cool thing is about the colors. So that was all my video for today. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.